What's up, ladies and gents? I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Today, it appears that the market is growing a little wobbly, but we'll have to wait and see what will happen in the future months. With that stated, let's play that lovely intro and then get into today's video. As always, welcome back to Millionaire Mindset's preferred cryptocurrency news station. Welcome to the XRP family. If you're new here, click the subscribe button, then enable notifications so you don't miss out on our daily cryptocurrency news updates. Returning to today's news, we'll crank up the engines with this tweet from @RippleXRP. Crypto regulation this month? It asks. This month's all-time high for XRP. From 62 cents to $10 and up. I mean, there has been a lot of news about this that has been making the rounds in the XRP communities. I'm not sure what you think about the crypto regulation and the XRP being reached this week. Month. So, consider the following tweet from @Attorney Jeremy 1. I have tried and tried and tried to discover something good in this, and I've fallen short. The SEC must utilize all of its authorities to address these dangers, and Congress must do the same to fill this regulatory void, she added. I mean, whether good or bad, this is ridiculous. We can see an article posted in the image that Jeremy shared in this tweet. Elizabeth Warren gives SEC July 28 deadline, according to CoinDesk, to determine crypto regulation. The following can be found in the article. Crypto-skeptical U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren. Warren, D-Mass, has given the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, until the end of this month to complete its investigation to determine its role in cryptocurrency regulation. The senator, who chairs the Senate Banking Committee's Economic Policy Subcommittee. In a letter to SEC Chair Gary Gensler, she stated that she needed answers by July 28. Despite the growing popularity of cryptocurrency, a lack of common-sense laws has resulted in regular investors are at the mercy of manipulators and crooks, Warren stated. The SEC must use all of its authorities to address these dangers, and Congress must do the same to fill these regulatory voids, she continued. Warren has long been a skeptic of Bitcoin, calling it speculative in character, and will end horribly, he said in a March interview with CNBC. She also expressed her concerns about the lack of regulatory certainty surrounding cryptocurrency and blockchain. A subcommittee hearing in June on the energy consumption of proof-of-work cryptocurrencies. The SEC lacks regulatory authority to pursue cryptos, but they are being pressured to do so. Regulations must be completed by July 28. But how did they end up attacking Ripple? I mean, I'm not sure how much clearer it can be. This entire lawsuit should be dropped because there are plainly no grounds for it. Rules. So, did they just choose a coin at random and go for it? Anyway, I don't disagree with the SEC's assessment, but I believe this is chess, and most people believe it is. The cryptocurrency market is a game of checkers. XRP is the one and only genuine coin. The SEC is aware of it, as is the crypto community, and even inexperienced traders are aware of it. Why don't you try it? This is the opportunity we've all been waiting for to make a lot of money on the internet. The cryptocurrency market. For the first time, we can see the whale's strategy before they make it. If you can't see it, you're either completely blind or about to lose your investment. Next up is @Disclose TV, who sends out a tweet that reads, Reminder Cyber. Klaus Schwab's World Economic Institute created Polygon, a simulated exercise of a global cyber epidemic. The forum begins tomorrow, July 9th. Jeremy Jurgens, the managing director of Disclose TV, is featured in this video. According to the World Economic Forum, there will be another crisis that will be considerably more severe, and will happen faster than anyone expects. This crisis will have a wider impact on global economies, resulting in more rampant inflation. The social and economic ramifications. If you're wondering which crises Jurgens is referring to, we can hear it all. From World Economic Forum President Klaus Schwab, who goes on to say that there would be a thorough cyber attack that will bring electricity supplies to a standstill. Transportation, hospitals, and other resources, as well as our civilization as a whole, are examples of such resources. We must all take this situation seriously and take the necessary safeguards. Clearly, 2 of the top World Economic Forum leaders have declared this, and I'm sure they will continue to do so. Aren't faking it. This is going to get interesting, guys. Coinbase has stated that they are now authorized to list equities, according to a Coindesk.com article. But wait a minute. They've held this permission since 2018. The headline states, US Coinbase, a Bitcoin exchange, has got regulatory approval to purchase a number of securities firms, a move that might lead to a merger. It is expected to support trading in tokens classified as securities. In an email comment to CoinDesk on Tuesday, a spokeswoman for the exchange stated that the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA, has given its approval to a recently disclosed acquisition. Arrangements for firms that are currently regulated. The exchange said last month that it aims to acquire 3 companies, Keystone Capital Corp., Venovate Marketplace, and Digital Wealth LLC, in order to become a regulated investment firm. Platform for trading security tokens and tokenizing traditional assets. Financial resources. According to CoinDesk, Asif Hirji, Coinbase's chief operational officer and president, suggested that the exchange is pursuing broker-dealer licenses through the acquisitions, a qualified investment advisor and an alternative trading system. The move by the well-known cryptocurrency exchange in the United States comes at a time when financial watchdogs in the country are concerned. The United States is increasing its examination of cryptocurrency ventures, particularly initial coin offers, ICOs, and would appear to be building the firm for a future when existing legal gray areas are removed. In the revised regulation, certain points have been clarified. The SEC has stated that it is presently reviewing dozens of token initiatives, and its chairman has stated that. In a recent public hearing, Jay Clayton stated that he believes every eco he has seen is a scam. Security. In an earlier interview, Coinbase general manager Dan Romero told CoinDesk that the exchange wants to introduce new digital products that clients frequently seek, but it must tread carefully. While US regulators consider how to address specific deployments of the technology. You needed to hear it first in order to understand the next piece of the puzzle. Now, consider this. Why did Coinbase delist XRP despite the fact that the company has approval since 2018 to list security tokens? Yes, Coinbase has been approved to list securities since 2018. As a result, regardless of what happens in court, Coinbase could continue list XRP. This only serves to demonstrate that the entire thing is a sham. To be honest, Coinbase was the first company to delist XRP, causing considerable panic to other exchanges that delisted the coin as well. However, as soon as Coinbase relists it, the other exchanges will follow suit. To be honest, I've been implying that something is brewing behind the closed doors that we are unaware of. That's why I'm almost positive that the entire thing is a ruse for the whales. Invest in XRP before it rockets to the moon. Yes, I did say it. When the court case is over, this coin will soon take the top rank. And by that time, everyone will be rushing to obtain a slice of the cake, causing traffic congestion. The coin's value has risen even further. So don't put it off until the last minute, fellas. It's either now or never. Now, moving on to our next tweet from @CNBC, they stated, "Why Tether, though? Economists are concerned about the world's third largest cryptocurrency." They also share an article, which we will look into right now. Tether, I believe, is soon to be exposed. So, let's see what's going on. Tether is the world's third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. And it has some economists on board, including a U.S. the Federal Reserve is concerned. Last month, Boston Fed President Eric Rosengren issued a warning about Tether, referring to it as a dangerous currency, a potential threat to financial stability. Meanwhile, other investors worry that a loss of trust in Tether might be crypto's black swan. Black swan, an unforeseeable occurrence that would have a significant influence on the market. Tether's problems have serious ramifications for the young cryptocurrency world, and experts are increasingly concerned that it will have an influence on markets other than digital currency. Some investors and economists are concerned that Tether's issuer lacks sufficient dollar reserves in order to justify its dollar peg. Tether depleted its stablecoin reserves in May. The company stated that only a small portion of its holdings, 2.9%, to be exact, were in the form of securities. The vast majority was in cash, with the remainder in commercial paper, a type of unsecured, short-term loan. There has long been speculation that Tether is being utilized to control Bitcoin. According to one analysis, the token was utilized to prop up Bitcoin amid crucial price fluctuations. Falls in its record-breaking 2017 surge. Now, let's have a look at XRP's technical analysis. We're now looking at the daily time frame. Recently, the price of all cryptocurrencies has plummeted. But, at these prices, I believe XRP can be a wonderful buy for good returns. Only in April did we see XRP trading around the $2 mark. At 0.61C, that's more than treble the price. If you're wanting to make a longer-term crypto transaction, I believe this could be a solid investment. Long-term in anticipation of the next bullish push. There is no need to over-leverage. Simply take a good position and hold it. One of my $XRP settings that I'm currently pleased with how it performs.